So tiring. This is my fireman. I won't lie, this is one of the best tacos I've ever had. Hello lovely people, welcome to another new episode. If you're adventurous and if you like to eat, you're just at the right place. Today, we're at a place called Pico di Monge. And guys, today I have two of my best friends with me. Meet Onik and meet Timon.
Oi, gingerbread.
So guys, let's go for adventure. And so, today, our mission is to find a place where we can camp and we can start a fire and start cooking. It's gonna be a hell lot of fun today, guys. And if you have checked the intro and the caption already, you might know what we're cooking today. And yes, we are making tacos today, man. This place is absolutely beautiful. Just 5 more minutes and we will be at the Pico di Monge, our destination. After that, our plan is to just find a proper location where we can make our camp and we can start cooking. Oh, I'm exhausted. Look at the sky, it's beautiful. We arrived at our destination. And this place is magnificent. So guys, we have just arrived at a location. As I said earlier, we are very hungry. Now I think we better start cooking. Let's start making tacos.
Let's go, let's.
So our first job is to collect some woods. And they've already started, you can see. You can hear them.
Yeah, these things are dry. That should be nice for fire.
I think we can start the fire now. What do you think?
Yeah, that's perfect.
This is a wood fire. And we're putting rocks next to it just to make a windshield. Nice. Careful. So this is where we're going to start our fire now. It's almost ready. Good work, my brothers. They're working hard today. It is very windy. After it starts now. The fire is almost ready. I think we should start preparing our kitchen now. The fire is ready. Our kitchen is ready as well. So I've got some fresh chicken fillet with us, chicken breast piece. We got oil, and as we're gonna make tacos, so this is the soft shell tacos I bought, and this is the hard shell. But it says this is a taco kit, so we have to open and see what is inside. The special thing I have with me is this one. Chocolate salsa picante. I never tried this before, it's the first time, so let's see how it tastes. So guys, now we're gonna chop the coriander. So roughly chop coriander. Goes in there. So you can see. So Iman is going to cut the onion for me now. Iman, go for it. final bit. Salt. So you see, mix them all properly. The lime juice, the salt. It's gonna be really good, man. Really good. I've got these chicken fillets. I'm gonna chop them now, make them cubes. The pan is sizzling hot, and now I'll put the chicken straight away in there. Ooh. There we go. It's getting toasted. It's very nice. Look, soft and warm. So guys, now I'm gonna start plating my tortillas. I got chicken. You see, I'm gonna start with the half shell. I'll let them fall. It's fine. I'm going to top it up with a little bit more chicken. A bit of chicken oil. I'm going to give the pico di gallo. Oh, it's so juicy, man. A little bit. Some hands on top. Chicken. So guys, now is the main part. I'm gonna add the Cholula salsa in there. Ooh, look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. My mouth is watering. Okay, guys, the food is ready. Now is the moment of truth. Okay, which one you want?
Okay.
Hard shell?
Hard shell, yeah.
You want soft shell?
I'm gonna go for this.
Okay. Bismillah. Whoa. Look at this. My God, man.
Down. Hey. I heard it. Super.
Guys, one of the best tacos I've ever had in my life. None. Guys, I won't lie, this is one of the best tacos I've ever had. Look, all of them enjoying. This is for you. I'm done for today. See you on next Sunday again. Till then, take care. And please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Okay? See you on my next video again. Take care. Bye bye.